Things first, I gotta say, this thing is awesome. Starting with the front, you have this this Velcro patch here. You can put whatever patch you want. I put this AR 500 patch. They're a really good company. Front, you got your magazine holders. Boom, fit 3 magazines in there, no problem. You can obviously stuff some more in there. The main compartment, I got my earmuffs. I got my glasses, and then I also have 2 boxes of ammunition in there, 100 rounds. And then of course I have my Glock. Over here I have my holster for my Glock 19 3rd Gen. And over here I have some speed loaders and a multi-tool. Of course you got the molly straps on the back. You could put whatever else you really wanted on there. You have the handle, and then you also have the back strap as well. And there's so much more room to spare. I mean, you could really put so much more. And the pistol strap works great. I love it. 5 out of 5.